back here on the Hang 10. Hang 10, baby. Anyway, being a little silly. Got everything done the other day with the trans and the oil change. Went to go fire it up, and it wouldn't start. It'd crank and crank and crank and crank. So I primed the fuel bowl with some brake clean. It would sputter and then stop. Then I would put some starting fluid in it, and it would run off it for a couple seconds and then stop. So ran out of time. Obviously had baseball practice to get to for the kid. So back over here today, and first thing I was going to do is I was going to unhook the fuel line and then just sitting here, watch that carburetor move. The carburetor itself is moving. Like, the hardware is fucking loose. So that's no effing good. So I'm going to snug that up. I'm going to undo the line here, and then I want to crank it and see if we got fuel from the pump coming up. So as you can already see, we definitely have fuel pumping out of the pump. So our issue is carb related. Fired right up. I took the needle and seat out, cleaned it, and I tapped up here on the float. Been sitting a while, unstuck the float. Smooth as silk, baby.